Most people believe you need money to start making money online. But the truth is, many digital income streams can be started with $0, using only a phone, internet connection, and the right strategy. The internet has created a completely new economy where people can earn income online from anywhere in the world. In this video, I'm going to show you 7 digital income streams beginners are using right now, even if they are starting with little or no money. Let's get started. The first digital income stream is affiliate marketing. This means promoting other people's products and earning a commission when someone buys through your link. You don't need to create a product or handle delivery. Your job is simply to connect buyers with the product. Many beginners promote products through social media, blogs, or videos. The second income stream is creating digital products. Digital products include ebooks, templates, guides, and other downloadable resources. Once a digital product is created, it can be sold many times without additional production cost. That's why digital products are one of the most powerful ways to build scalable income online. Another growing income stream is content monetization. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram allow creators to build audiences by sharing valuable content. As your audience grows, you can earn through ads, sponsorships, affiliate products, and your own digital products. The fourth income stream is freelancing. Freelancers offer services such as writing, graphic design, social media management, and video editing. Businesses around the world hire freelancers remotely, which means you can work with clients globally without leaving your home. Another powerful opportunity is online education. If you have knowledge or experience in a particular skill, you can teach others through tutorials, courses, or coaching. People are constantly searching online to learn new skills, which creates opportunities for educators and creators. 2 additional digital income streams include blogging and selling digital templates or tools. Bloggers earn income through ads and affiliate partnerships, while templates and digital resources can be sold repeatedly online. If you want to learn all 7 digital income streams in detail, I created a guide called the Wealth Blueprint. You can find a link in the video description. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content about digital income and online opportunities.